Okay. So, I'll be testing this microphone that I recently acquired. It's the DJI wireless mic. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna show you how does it look like outside. My window's fogged from the outer side, and so can't see much, but weather looks pretty nice. Wind doesn't seem to be much. It's coming from the stern again, which is really good. All right, let's start preparing stuff. My drone, it's here, hidden under the fridge, or above the fridge. I am so not ready. I forgot that I dismantled this drone, or not dismantled, but removed this Session 5 mount. Maybe I'll cut this part, or not. Okay, I'm gonna check the rest of the screws while I'm holding this. This is the Martian 2. This frame has been with me for about 3-4 years. I have this since 2018, or yeah, maybe 2018. There's the Session 5. Right here. In you go. Okay, looking good. The antenna looks a bit deformed. I'm gonna massage it a bit. Nice. That looks better.
Greetings, Patrick's FPV. Welcome to Tango 2. Engines disarm air mode.
Right, that's good. All right, off we go. Not that cold. I don't know if this microphone picks up my voice. Yeah. So, I'm gonna go. Let's try stand here. Right. Yep. Right. Nice. There's a bit of a wind. I can stay here. That's fine. This is good enough. Right. So, for testing, I'm gonna put my spare battery here. I'm gonna take some photo first. Maybe, who knows, maybe I will lose this part. Some nice photos. Let's take some nice photos. Right. Okay. Right. Just for remembrance, if in case I lose it. Can't see if my GoPro is recording. So is it? Yeah. Okay. Once again, I'm checking my propellers. Are they all tight? Specifically the propeller nuts. Motor screws. By hand you can somehow feel if they're loose. frame screws, right? Some visible wires that you can touch, see if they are damaged for some reason or not. Antennas looking good. Connection to my air unit, good. Crossfires inside, I couldn't really see, but then should be okay. Right, let's do it. Let's do this. Okay.
Engines disarm. Engines arm. Engines disarm.
Right. Let's go. Maybe I'll do a test around here for a few minutes or in a few seconds. Alright, I'm just checking the tightness of my goggle antennas. Right, we're good to go. I'm just gonna check again my stick cam in frame. Alright, let's do it. It's now or never.
Engines armed.
Wow. Okay, good. Why do I have a bad feeling? Where's my RSSI? What? Okay, I can't see my RSSI. Anyway. Wow, what a nice sunset. The ship is shaking a bit. It's quite annoying and distracting. Because it's shaking my head and it's shaking the goggles as well. Yeah. These waves are looking nice. There's a big one here. Oops. Don't touch it. Where is my RSSI? Funny, very funny. Very funny. Whoa. I have to make sure I don't hit the waves, but I have to look out for those splashes as well. These minor sprays of seawater they're notorious for the electronics, and I don't have my quads waterproofed, so I have to be careful. It's really nice to fly close to the water. At first you're gonna feel like well, you're gonna lose your quad maybe you will, maybe not. But then when you get comfortable, when you reach that level, it feels so nice compared to flying really high, because you see the from this height you can see the details of the waves, like this one. See, it's like a bulge and then followed by another one. It's just looking so good. I don't know, I'm a bit afraid to go far because I don't really have an RSSI on my goggles. Am I here? That was sloppy. Let's try to go a bit forward. I can feel that the wind is dragging me, so if I just fly on a straight line, it doesn't really, you'll feel that you're being pushed. Like, I'm gonna try to fly this one in a straight, and see, I'm getting pushed to the right. It's not that bad. It just feels a bit trippy in the goggles. It's like it's tricking your mind. I remember Joshua Bardwell was mentioning that how does it feel to fly on a moving ship. Well, the thing is, well, how to explain this? It's hard to explain. It's like this. It's gonna feel like your ground, and you're gonna have to ignore the fact that your ground is moving. And you can kind of think of it as, you know, when you're flying on land with heavy winds, so you have to compensate the attitude of your quad just to keep in place, or to keep the position of your quad still relative to where you are. So right now my quad is a little bit leaned to the left. This is so as it will move together with the ship, which is moving forward. So think of it as your quad is being when you're in land, you can think of it as like your quad is being pushed to the right with the wind coming from the left, and you have to do this. So it's like that. You just have to forget about the water. I'm not sure if you understand what I'm trying to say. That's it. So if you think about this water, it's I don't know, it messes up with your mind. Okay, time to go back.
Engines disarm.
Right, disarm. Okay. Unplug and checking the motor temperatures.
Telemetry loss.
Okay. Telemetry loss. I guess that's it for now. So it's a bit late. It's already 8 p.m. Maybe I'll use this next time, or tomorrow morning, or maybe not. I'll see. Depends. Right. So see you guys. I would like to thank the new subscribers to my channel. I didn't imagine I will reach 1700 at this point of recording. So thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this one as well, and I hope you have enjoyed my previous videos too. Thank you. See you on the next one. Bye bye. really nice sunset. Oh, I can see it from now. Hey, I have RSI in the stats when you disarm, so I have to fix it. Right, good to know. I think I haven't got it displayed on my goggles.